Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to create Payoneer account in Pakistan. So guys, the first thing that you will do is simply go to payoneer.com into your web browser, and after that just simply click on sign in over here. And after that it will redirect you to another tab, and just simply click on sign up over here on the left side of the screen. And now from here on the sign up page, just simply select what account type that you are going to use it for. So let's say I'm going to go for freelance, and I'm going to go for less than $500,000. And after that, just simply click on register over here. And now from here, guys, it will redirect you over here. So if you have a business registered in any government, you can just simply select no or yes. And from here, just simply provide the first name and the last name that you have, and just simply provide the email address down below. And after that, just simply provide the date of birth as well and click on next. And after that, just simply provide the country as Pakistan. And after that, just simply provide your street or your address, and just simply provide your address to be more detailed. And after that, just simply make sure you provide the mobile number as well by Pakistan, and just simply provide your number as well. And after that, just simply click on send code over here. And from there, a verification code will be sent to your phone number that you provided. And just simply provide the verification code over here. And after that, just simply scroll down and click on next. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and provide your password over here and re-enter your password. And down below, you can choose a security question that you prefer. And from there, just simply provide the security answer. And after that, just make sure you have the issuing country of ID as Pakistan. And you can choose if it's national ID, driving license, or passport. So pretty much it will be depending on you. And after that, just simply provide your ID number. So guys, from here, just simply provide your first name in your local language and last name and click on next. And after that, just simply provide the necessary information in order to proceed, like your bank country, currency, and your bank name that you have, and your ID type and computerized national ID. And make sure to check these boxes and click on submit. And from there, you should be able to create an account. And there you go. See ya.